We're continuing with Math 104 Gateway questions, this time number 57 out of the series 54 to 58. And this problem is asking to solve for m if the equation is e to the power 2m to power 4m and equal to e to the power 3 minus 2m. First, when I'm looking at this equation, I see that the left-hand side is not actually in a simple exponential form. So I go back to my two rules and I see that the second rule is actually the one that would apply here. So I'm using the second rule, e to the power to power makes it e to the power of the first exponent times the second exponent. That is 2 times 4 times m squared. 8m squared. Now I rewrite the equation. It's going to be e to the power 8 m squared is equal to e to the power 3 minus 2m. The next step is to take the log so we can get rid of the exponential. So I'm taking the log base e, which is the natural log. That's the other way of writing it. And then now the log base e and e, they using the inverse function property, they go away and we have the exponent only. Now, we're solving for m. I see that there is the independent variable to power 2 is showing up and another term of independent variable itself. I know that I have to use, it's a quadratic equation, so I need to either factor or use the quadratic formula. I rewrite it as a quadratic equation first by subtracting 3 and adding 2m to both sides. So I get 8m squared plus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. I do rather use the quadratic formula every time, and especially since this is not a quick one. So I would use the quadratic formula to solve for this. M is equal to, b is 2, so negative 2, plus minus square root of b to power 2, which is 2 to power 2, minus 4 times 8, which is a, times negative 3, divided by 2 times 8. Now, in your gateway exam, you can actually enter this as negative 2 plus square root of 4 minus 4 times 8 times negative 3 divided by 16, and 2 minus square root of 4 minus 8 times negative 3 divided by 16. And no need to simplify.